Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 13 update with Anita. So how is it going, Anita, so far?
It was actually pretty good. Yeah.
Did you lose any weight over the last 7 days?
Yes, I did. Actually, I lost a couple pounds.
That's good. Like we decided to slow down a little bit on the weight loss and give the body a chance to get adjusted a little bit,
Yeah.
right? So that's why we are not focusing too much on losing weight because you know how to lose weight right now. It's just a matter of time, right?
Right.
It's just make sure it's not very stressful, right?
Right.
On the body, right? So overall, you lost, I think, 30 pounds as of today. This is week 13.
Yeah, that's right.
Do you consider that as an accomplishment? Or?
Yes, it is. And you know, the thing is that I think at first when I realized I had to modify the way I was doing things a little bit, I panicked a little bit. But I realized we have all the pieces in place, and we just have to reorganize them. And that was really a good feeling to be able to do that.
That's very good. That's very good. And do you have concern about gaining back what you lost?
Well, initially in a moment of panic, and then I realized, no, actually I know how to lose it, and I know how to lose it quite easily.
That's right. Okay, that's good. So I look forward to probably to do it next week and see where you will be at.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you.